Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add zoom effect with motion blur to video in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the timeline where you want the effect to begin. Go to your project panel, right-click and create a new item, Adjustment Layer. Put it above the video layer. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for the Transform effect. Drag and drop the Transform effect onto your adjustment layer in the timeline. Under Effect Controls, click the stopwatch icon beside Scale under Transform, then uncheck the Use Composition Shutter Angle and change the value to 360. Now move the timeline slider ahead about 20 frames and change the value of Scale to 300. To smooth out our zoom effect, highlight keyframes and select Ease In. Now expand the scale and then click and drag this blue circle down to form an arc. Preview your video to see the zoom with motion blur effect. And that's how you add zoom effect with motion blur to your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro.